What is up, everybody? In today's video, we are going to fix if your WhatsApp needs access to your microphone and camera. If you're getting that kind of issue on your WhatsApp when you're trying to contact somebody, call somebody, or use a microphone or camera features, and you are looking how to give the permissions, you may follow up this process for that. So you can open up your settings app for that, go ahead and access your settings. And all you gotta do is basically scroll to the given options and find the option for apps and tap on it. And once you tap on apps, you can scroll through the given options and look out for WhatsApp or just search directly and find WhatsApp. Now, once you find WhatsApp, here you will be finding different options. Scroll down, find the option for storage and tap on it. Or you can look out for this option of permissions first before clearing the cache. So tap on permissions and then here ensure that you have given the necessary permissions, which is camera and microphone. So tap on camera and tap on allow. Similarly, same goes for microphone as well. Tap on microphone and make sure this is also enabled, and that is it. Also, from the given options, when you head back, look out for the storage option and tap on it, and you can just go over and tap on clear cache and just go ahead and clear the cache. After that, you can also restart your phone for once, hold the power button and look out for the restart option and tap on it. And after changing permissions, you can restart to make the changes take the effect. But if you give the necessary permission, it should work, but you can restart it and see if it works. And that is it, everybody. You can follow this process for that. If that also does not work, you can try uninstalling the application itself and reinstall it and see if that works for you. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.